Gauteng mother demands justice for teen son in our 1 million lawsuit against clothing retail giant by Satori News. In a chilling case that foregrounds severe allegations of human rights abuses against minors within retail environments, a Gauteng mother is pursuing legal action against one of South Africa's retail heavyweights, the Mr. Price Group Limited. Mosima Mfela claims her 15-year-old son was subjected to physical assault and unlawful detainment by staff members at a power fashion store located in Davidson Mall, Ekurhuleni, in November 2022. Seeking R1 million in damages, this lawsuit puts the spotlight on corporate accountability and child protection in commercial spaces. The incident unfolded when the boy, accused of shoplifting, was allegedly beaten by security guards and staff before being locked in a storeroom for approximately 12 hours. The shocking mistreatment was disclosed by the teenager upon his release, bearing serious injuries and informing his mother of the forced labor he endured, cleaning the shop during his confinement. Mosima Mfela's discovery of her son's absence led her on a frantic search, which concluded at the store with her son's release and the grim recount of his ordeal. The boy's behavior and academic performance reportedly declined post-incident, indicating psychological trauma consistent with the mother's claims of emotional shock and mental health impairment. Mfela's initial outreach to the assistant store manager to seek accountability was met with resistance, as the manager refused to disclose the identities of the implicated staff members. The legal communiqué directed at Mr. Price's management highlights a severe breach of the child's constitutional rights, particularly his right to human dignity. The Mr. Price Group, meanwhile, asserts that they have been engaging with the family and that a full investigation was conducted at the time. However, details of the investigation remain undisclosed, according to Matthew Warriner, Director of Investor Relations and Stakeholder Engagement. The incident raises critical questions about the manner in which suspected theft is handled by retail staff and the protocols in place for dealing with minors in such situations. It also draws attention to the need for staff training in human rights and legal compliance, as well as the imperatives of corporate responsibility. As the legal proceedings unfold, the case may serve as a stark reminder of the due diligence required by corporations to prevent the mistreatment of customers, particularly vulnerable children, and the severe consequences that can result from failing to adhere to legal and ethical standards. Thank you for choosing Satori News.